guys, welcome back to another video, and first thing first, Happy New Year. I bought side lights like a black ones with a sequential sign. I don't know if the right name is sequential in English, but I believe it is. The installation is pretty easy. I don't pretend in this video, like to show you how to do it, because this is like plug and play. My intention in this video is to ask you your opinion, so please leave in the comments if you like this kind of side lights, if you don't like, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this side lights, this is LEDs, and it have a different effect from the normal ones. I already installed one. It's not working, I don't know why, but probably a bad contact, but I will try to see. I already installed one to see if I like it or not, and I'm not sure if I like it, So basically I have these white ones that actually they are also new, and I have the black ones. These ones are the normal ones, okay, but they are brand new. These ones that are installed in the car, actually I just have one right now, but they are new. I installed these ones, I replaced for the orange ones. I like these ones, but I think these ones are cool, I don't know. So guys, I will show you the difference between each other in the car. Remember, the car will be painted in black, okay? Don't forget, in the end of the project I will send the car for painted in black, okay? And this is also black, and I believe it will be, cool, this effect that this thing gives. But let me show you the difference. So this is the normal one, you see. The big difference that these ones usually are orange. Yeah, someone don't have a car, it have a smoker. Look at this. Jesus. So guys, this is the normal ones. You probably cannot see really well during the day, but it's normal ones, but white, of course. This is usually it's orange. And let me show the other one. So guys, what you think? I kind of like it, Yeah, I don't know. So guys, leave in the comments your opinion, if you prefer these white ones or the black ones, with that sequential effect. I actually like it, but I don't know, guys. So guys, leave in the comments your opinion, and as usual guys, thanks for watching and see you soon. Stay tuned.